Hey guys, Daniel Mar Reviews here, and as you can see I have a Soyes S7 phone. It's a very small phone, as you can see, and this is from my dad, so a huge thanks to him. And we're going to go ahead and unbox this right here. So here's what it looks like. It runs Android, has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. Soyes mobile phone, and it's a very tiny phone. I'm just going to be using this as like a little secondary type of phone. Here it is. See how small that is? And I guess the charger is right there. And then the manuals, all that stuff. The key to put the carrier card right there, as you can see. Here's the phone right here. Let's unbox it, or unwrap it. Oh my god, it just looks like a mini iPhone 7, or mini iPhone 7 Plus. Look at that. There's no home button, and there's no headphone jack. Let's turn it on. It says welcome. Look how small this is. Yeah, I'm just going to be using this as a secondary phone. So it runs Android. So I'm curious to see what I can do with it. I gotta reset the time and the date. Oh, awesome. Look at that. Alright.
Here's a size comparison between the Soyes S7 and the iPhone 6s.
Alright, as you can see, I've set this thing up and I've downloaded YouTube, and I'll tell you this, downloading on this thing takes forever, and it's definitely really laggy. It's 1 GB of RAM, so that's expected, but it works, I'll tell you that. And as a little secondary device, I think it's terrific. Let's go on to YouTube. See, here's my channel right here. It works. It's slow, it's buggy, but it works. Again, as a secondary device, it's amazing, and it just feels like basically any other Android phone, I'd say. The Huawei P10 in this, I mean, it's amazing how familiar the software feels. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing a review maybe next week on this. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. See you guys.